the fun part happens, because it's always important to be clean, folks, clean. So we got some Clorox wipes. We're keeping it simple. We're gonna wipe down these trays. They're pretty dusty. We picked them up from Grow Active Solutions in St. Louis, on Hartford. So if you're in St. Louis and you need a grow store to go to, check them out. But we're gonna wipe them down. Well, I'm gonna wipe them down. Y'all are gonna watch me wipe them down. I would cue that, wipe me down, but that's copyrighted. We ain't trying to get struck. Keep it pretty simple, nothing extravagant. These are gonna sit for a minute until we reset our grow room, which is coming up because we have a chop that's about to happen. We're going to chop down our latest grow, which was struggling because we were traveling, jet setting. So our third grow, we're gonna start off the new year with a new grow. Not so much about the scrubbing, it's more so much about the surface staying wet for about a minute, 2 minutes, and give this stuff a chance to actually do its thorough thizzle. That's what we St. Louis folks, we're doing our thorough thizzle. Quite filthy, it was 30, not too bad. But you don't want to be putting your plants in dirt that you don't have to. The only thing we're gonna be putting our plants in is cocoa this time. So we're just gonna rock with that. We gotta take off. It won't come on. Did they tape it? No, it's not too bad, not too shabby. There's one, two. These weren't too dirty. Well, that one was. That one was exposed to the elements. This one was protected. So we gotta wipe it down now. Oh, that was a little dirtier. Don't want something that was preventable. All right, we're gonna give you some more wipes. This is the 4 wiper. We got down to the bottom, it was pretty dirty. Let's get that one out the way. And we got an Aqua Active Hydroculture flood table. Come on off. I want to save the paper. Couldn't have come off it easy way. It had to be a Next time y'all use tape. Super glue, hot glue guns. Honestly, I think this is the perfect time for a coffee break. Because we still have some more to do, but this one is pretty dirty. The cleanest part was where the tag was at. But this aqua tray can hold up to 4 inches of water. You don't want to fill it up with 4 inches of water, but that's what it can hold. All right, coffee break over. Let's get back to work. We need some more Clorox wipes. Let's get to wiping. Start from the top, down in the city. All right, this one was the one that was exposed to nature. It was facing the wall and the dirt and everything else blowing up into it. So it's got a lot of gunk in it. Let's get some more wipes. We're going through wipes. We need them. On the plus side, the back side of this one should be clean. It was covered up and protected. So it should be relatively clean. If it wasn't wintertime, we'd take this outside and hose it down. Oh, it's like getting cold. Oh, that was gunked up already. Still working on it. Still working on it. It was really, really dirty. Really, really dusty. Don't worry, y'all. It'll be time lapse, so this won't be like a 10-minute video of me wiping down trays. Whew. I'm sure somebody out there would have been like, it's not that bad. Dirt. They just put it right in the garden. Man, I'm not that guy. Now my garden can get pretty dirty, but when it's a new one and you're resetting, scrub it all the way down entirely to reset. Keeps you from having to stop in the middle of the road, move stuff, try to salvage something. The less stuff you have against you when you start, the better your growth's gonna be down the road. It's simple. Set yourself up for success. One more time with the white. Got a little more dirt left. Ooh, we're getting to the juicy whites. All right, that is done. Oh man, I'll tell you, Vanna doesn't know it yet, but she just came home. I'm about to get her, and then she's gonna get to see her latest Christmas gift that finally arrived the rest of the park. So anyway, I think I hear it. Hey, Vanna! What? Come here! Oh, buddy, I'm excited, I'm excited. Look at the Christmas gift I got you. You know you've already got these trays. I know, don't act surprised, but no, I got you trays. Go check, so check them out. I told you about the trays, but you get a chance to check them out.
What am I supposed to be doing?
Yeah, check out the trays, pick them up, move them around. Well, not this one. This one is the big one. Let me get that out the way for you. We don't want you to hurt yourself, but check out the other trays.
The trays that I already have?
Yeah, move them around. I cleaned them up, but you gotta check them out, check behind them and all that.
You cleaned them?
I did.
Okay.
But what's behind it?
Okay.
Woo! Yeah. Clutch did good. Clutch did good. Clutch did good, folks. Clutch did good. Clutch did good. Clutch did good. Clutch did good. What is it, Vanna?
It's a new grow light.
Tell them what that is, Vanna.
It's a Growers Republic E2700 Plus.
Oh, with that, it is not only 960 watts of glorious light that is going to be cast upon our grow. So Vanna will have now a whole lot better medicine. But with that, we gotta open it up, Vanna. Oh, before that. Nah, I'm gonna save that for our people on the live stream. They get to see the rest of it.
There's more?
There's more. Oh, there's more.
Well, what do I need? I got pots, I got soil, I got water, I got trays, I got a new light. Does this mean that I get like double the light in my grow room?
Could be, Vanna, could be. Could be.
You two are really sneaky to hide this from me.
I try to be. So with that, pull it down, open it up, Vanna. We gotta check out the light. Don't be breaking the plastic and everything.
Well, it's definitely not as heavy as I anticipated.
No. This one's lighter. So that Chill Tech one we have is much heavier than this one. And it's a smaller light, and it puts out less wattage.
Dun, 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 dun. Showcase. Okay.
There it is. Check out that color. Remember the color we saw when we was with Joda? We got one of those, which means this is a commercial grow light. This is what they have up in those big factories. You need a hand, Vanna?
No, Vanna's strong.
Oh, it's actually pretty easy, it's pretty light. With that, so we bought this light secondhand. So we know the light actually works, it's been tested, it's been used. And the reason why we bought this light is because the person we bought it from grew quite a bit of cannabis with it. Grew 4 pounds under this light. So with that, what you got, Vanna?
I got ratcheting straps and cord.
And we also got an instruction manual.
An instruction manual, a power cord.
So that power cord is 240 volts. Ooh, it's a big light. Let me get this out the way for you. You're gonna need space for that.
Oh, it wraps all the way around. Look at there.
Yeah. Growers Republic packed their light pretty well.
I cheat. Ta-da.
Yep, just don't rip the foam in case we gotta return it. I think the return policy's not valid on this one though.
It opens up?
It does.
What? It's like unwrapping a condom. Careful not to hurt it.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Okay. To have instructions to open?
It lays flat. You got the part that opens, so it separates. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh.
Wee.
That's a lot of light.
That's a hell of a lot of light. That's a lot of plants.
So I want to say it's a Sosan driver and Osram LEDs, or I might have that backwards. There might be Sosan LEDs and Osram drivers, but I have to look it up. I'll get it correct when we post the video. I'll get it correct and post it up there.
When are we putting it up?
I don't know, but we're gonna post it soon because this is part of our new Grow Series, Vanna.
Yay.
And you got a new light. Merry Christmas. New light, new trays. And this time we're gonna be running liquid nutrients, so we're doing something completely different, folks. So stay tuned.